welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jules, and today we're going to be installing the Mugen window visors for the Honda Civic Type R. If you guys have been watching my previous video, right now I am wearing my new merch. Brand is called Find Your Inner Drive. As you guys can see, I got the little logo right here on the front, and then I also got it on the back so you guys can see how it looks. It has like a little kind of like flag or like a nice little design to it. When I finally got it in the mail, and I was like, man, this looks pretty nice. So this is gonna be the new merch. If you guys have not seen the video before, and if you're new, I wanted to create a merch where you can apply this. It doesn't have to be to cars. You can apply this to anything in life, whatever goal that you want to achieve. So for example, if there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day and make it happen. So whatever you want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives every single day to move forward toward your goals. So that's what I wanted to create the brand about. I want it to be like a lifestyle thing where even if a person's not even into cars, it could be anything, getting a house, getting anything that you set your mind to it. You gotta have drive to achieve it. Super excited about this merch drop. If you guys want to support the channel, definitely click the link in the bio and go over there and cop some merch. Here is the Mugen Visors. I'm gonna go ahead and put the box down here. So this is where the Mugen Visor box come in. It says Mugen on the side, made in Japan. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys. So I already opened it. I did go ahead and ceramic coat the visors because I wanted to try to make it a bit easier when I'm drying the car and stuff like that. So I did go ahead and ceramic coat it. I used Crystal Serum Light on the visors so it can have some type of protection and the water could just bead off when it's time to wash it. So I did that. You open up the box. It looks like this. You have like a little divider for each. I believe there are two long ones are in the middle, and then you have the two back rear door visors on the side. So what you do is basically just take them out of this. Mugen always have quality parts. So it's gonna look like this. You just slide it out, and right here you can probably see the Mugen logo. I know my hand's in the way, but right there, probably kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna put it down on the ground. But there's the Mugen logo. It's back there. Kind of hard to see it. I kind of wish they put the Mugen logo on the side, but it's actually on this side of the visor. So I don't know if I can turn it around, but there it is, Mugen. You guys can see it. So it's actually in the inside of the visor. On my engine side, it's actually on the outside of it. So that's one of the rears. Let me unbox the rest of it. So these are the fronts. They're really long paws. Woo. Man, it's crazy. Let's go ahead and throw these over here as well. We do got some like little hardware pieces that Mugen supplies, and it's in the corner of the box with tape on it. It looks like this. Has a little pouch and everything. Real nice. Let me go ahead and open this real quick. So they got these little pins. So basically when you guys look at them, they're gonna be up in the windowsill like this, and it's gonna be facing the flat side. So this is gonna be facing towards you, and then basically use these pins. You take one of them and you put it in the slot like this. So the visor is going to be on top of it, and then on top of the visor you're going to put this little pin. So it's kind of like you take the pin out, you stick the little washer piece in, and then you put the pin back inside of it, and it clips and holds it all together. So that is pretty sick and nice. By Mugen, quality. And there is, you got 8, and then you got 8 pins on here as well, as you guys can see. So pretty nice quality stuff. I don't know if you guys ever had played like Gundam as a kid. This actually reminds me as Gundam. So you actually break these little pieces off. Same thing with kind of like building a Gundam as a little kid. You basically break these off, and then you take one of these little pieces and put it in the window sill. So that's pretty kind of funny and sick. When you look at the visors, they have the holes on the front. So that's a hole right there, as you guys can see, and then there's a hole right here. Same thing with the front. There's a hole right there, and then there's a hole right there as well. So each of the visors has 2 old holes for the clip and the little pins. We have the last thing inside of the box, and that is the instructions by Mugen. So when you guys get any type of Mugen part, it actually comes in Japanese. So this is the part number right here. I'm also going to put the link of where I bought these Mugen visors from. I bought them from King Motorsports. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can cop some OEM Mugen visors for your Civic Type R. And then when you look at the instructions, they have some pictures of everything. As you can see, it has the visors, it has the clips, it has the little pin, and then it has putting the window down, it has putting the trim down, cutting it, that little thing, like the little Gundam pieces I was telling you guys about, and it's telling you where to basically put the pin in right here. So luckily guys, I've actually done this before on my 8-gen Honda Civic Si, and I'm gonna show you guys my 8-gen where I have the Mugen visors on, but it shows you, it says 3mm from the top up there, and it shows you how to stick it on, and it looks like this, and then this is the end result. So it looks dope. So any Mugen parts that you guys buy, it comes with these instructions, but it comes in Japanese, so it's kind of a little bit pain in the butt, but it's they have some really good pictures. So for example, the 8-gen Si, when I install all of the parts, let's look at the 8-gen Si. I know I haven't shown you guys it in a minute or in a couple videos. Here's my Rally Red Civic Type R 2019, and then we got the crazy looking 8-gen Honda Civic Si, spoon calipers, the Advan RGD2 wheels, carbon fiber hood, front lip, Mugen side skirts. I got the Mugen side skirts, Mugen wing, and then I got the Mugen rear lip. So here's how the visors look on my 8-gen Honda Civic Si. Let's actually go on the other side so I can show you guys how the profile looks. One thing I love about these visors is the profile, so I had to get it on the Civic Type R. As you guys can see, that's how it looks on the 8-gen. The profile and everything makes the car look very unique and stand out a lot. So when you guys look at it, in this one, as you guys can probably see, it says Mugen right there, and has those same little pins that I showed you guys right there, and then right here. And I had this on since probably 2012, so I probably had this for like going on 10 plus years, 9 to 10 plus years on this car, and it looks like this. So Mugen makes some quality parts. It definitely changes the whole side profile of the car, and I love it. So I definitely have to get it again. And you guys can see by this picture with the car lowered and everything, it looks sick with the Mugen visors. So hopefully the blower isn't too loud on the mic and it's not picking it up and my voice is just going over it. But what we're gonna first do, guys, is go over to where the visors are gonna sit. So they're gonna sit along the window on the Civic Type R. As you guys can see, all I got to do, the car is clean, so all I got to do is get like a wet rag and just go over it and make sure that it's completely clean. Hey guys, so if you guys have probably watched my channel before, you guys know I like to do step-by-step videos, so you guys can go ahead and do this at home and follow along, and you guys get to see the process of the build. So let's jump right into it. Inside of the actual window itself, it has this trim, and what we're basically going to do is pull it down. Here is one of these clips that's gonna sit in the window trim. So you just break one of these off, Gundam style. I just went ahead and got some scissors. Hopefully they just cut. Yep. If anything, I'll just cut the edge of it. There we go. Clean and cut. This is how it's gonna look. Pull it off. So there we go. So you guys see the method we came up with. We basically stick the pry tool underneath here and then grabbed it from the top and basically rolled it down. As you guys can see, the window trim is down. As you guys can see, it has like this little piece in the middle of it, right? So what it does is basically the clip end looks like this. What it basically does is just slides on this. As you can see, it's moving. It fits on this snug and then it goes up in the corner like this. So it just slides on this little groove right here, as you guys can see. One thing I like about the visor for the front side has like this wind kind of like noise deflector right here, so that's pretty nice. So I'm gonna get some soapy water for whatever is on the visor, grease or whatever. We're gonna go ahead and clean it again. So he's peeling the tape back. He's only gonna peel it back a little bit. So I'm gonna be the eyes, he's gonna be the installer. Then he's just pushing a line, the edge right here, and then up top he's pushing down so the 3M tape can stick. So now we're gonna get the pins. We're gonna take one out, make sure it's going through the little clip.
Where the head? Oh, okay. And then you push that in there.
Yep, and then you push this in there. So making sure it's in there, and it clip, and it's in there. And we're gonna grab another one. And clip, and it's in there. So there's one here, and then there's another one back here. Just like that. Just like that.
Alright guys, excuse the dry hand. I've been cooking and washing my hands all day and still doing install, so excuse the dry hand.
Clip.
That's what you wanted?
Cool. That's it. That's it. Is complete. Mugen visors and boat cars now, pretty sick. I kind of like how it looks on better on how this one swoops down. I like how this one, the windows kind of have like that little swoop to it, especially when the car is going to be completely flat. You could definitely see that aggressive little swoop for the front of the visor. But What do you think about it, guys? It looks nice. It changes the side profile of the car. It looks good.
Yeah, it looks real nice.
Makes the side profile kind of like stand out more, right?
Yeah, it looks real nice.
Yeah, especially when it's completely flat and you can see like a side view of it. It definitely stands out a lot more. So guys, comment below if you guys want me to make a video on this thing, the 2020 Ford Explorer ST. This is our new SUV. We got rid of our old 2001 Chrysler 20-year-old car. Yeah, guys, we had that car for going on 2021 now for 20 years. Yep, engine was dying. Time for something new. It was about that time. Fully loaded 2020 Ford Explorer ST. V6, twin turbo, all-wheel drive, 400 horsepower, 415 foot-pounds of torque. It also tows, I believe, up to 5,500 pounds, which is crazy. You could tow a car, which is dope. So let me know, guys, if y'all want me to do a review on this, show it around. So I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about it. It has this beautiful like maroon red. It's fully loaded, so it has the dual moon roof. It has a street package, gloss black wheels, and red caliber upgrade. And it also has the upgraded sound system as well, with 14 speaker and a subwoofer, I believe. So let me show you guys a little bit of it. I know it's tying into this main video, but got that tech package. Get that 20-inch, I believe, screen. Looks like a tablet, and then you get that dual moon roof up at the top. So let me show you guys that. It looks like that. Yep. But comment below. Got ST in the seats. If y'all want me to make a video on this thing, maybe we could go and do some launch control and stuff in a different drive mode, sport mode, rain, eco, normal. We could do some ride-alongs with my dad, and we could do some pulls and stuff with you guys. So comment below if you guys want to see it. All right, guys, so I'm editing the end of the video right now. For the last couple of days I didn't upload. I was catching up on stuff that I had to get done before this snowstorm that is about to hit in the next couple of days. So I had to get some stuff done, but that's out the way. Still have a bunch of videos that I still have to upload that I am going to share with you guys, so definitely stay tuned. And at the end of the videos, I said I'm going to give you guys value and share my experience with you guys. And I will say this: do not allow someone else's opinion allow you to get out of character. So if someone thinks you should do something better in a different way, or to keep something in your mind or in the back of your head, do not allow that to get you in your feelings. Just take constructive criticism and continue to do what you have to do to take a step forward every single day. But that's it, guys. If you guys want to support the channel, click the link in the description and cop some merch. That's it, guys. If you guys ever wanted to support the channel, click the link in the bio and cop some merch. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys for always commenting on the videos. Thank you guys for always showing love and support, liking the videos. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit the like button, subscribe for more new content on the way, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of when new videos drop. But that's it. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.